Hi there, students. To pandiculate. Pandiculation. What a word. That is to pandiculate. It's when you stretch. Very often you wake up in the morning, you get out of bed, or maybe you're still in bed. You start stretching the upper part of your body. This is to pandiculate. Yeah, it's typically accompanied by a great big yawn. That is pandiculation. Okay, so to pandiculate, to stretch your upper limbs and your torso when waking up in the morning. And that's the idea of it. Stretching or stiffening, either when before you go to bed when you're sleepy, or when you just wake up in the morning. Yeah, so this is stretching yourself in the morning. Notice this is a pretty formal word. I think if you use this, most native speakers are not going to know what it means. So I think I would classify it as a rather literary word. Yeah. Let's see. I was looking in the dictionaries, and some of the dictionaries also define pandiculation as yawning. But I think pandiculation is actually the stretchy bit that you do, and the yawning is the yawning, because you can pandiculate without yawning. So pandiculate, a verb, pandiculation, the noun. So what am I going to give this informality? I think I'm going to give it a 7 informality. I think I would use it in a semi-formal writing or above. I was wondering about using it informally. You could use it informally as a joke, yeah, but otherwise stretching and yawning. Yeah, he was stretching and yawning because he was tired. You know, or he was stretching and yawning because he just hadn't had his coffee yet. And then as to origin, well, this comes from pandiculatus, from actually the verb pando. So pandiculatus, to stretch oneself, and pando, to stretch or to extend. And that's really what you're doing. Yeah, pandiculating, pandiculation. Okay, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pandiculate, pandiculation. Yeah, this is a more unusual word.